All right, so
All right.
my husband's forced me to do POV unboxing from these, what are they, Meta
glasses.
All right, well, so unboxing and maybe first impression of the viral TikTok massager. Anyways, this is damaged. Let's hope that that doesn't do anything. Yeah, hopefully it didn't damage anything. So as you can see, neck massage, legs massage, foot massage, waist massage, abdomen massage. What? I didn't know that. But that's that. Shiatsu, neck and back, and I probably butchered that word. Massager with heat, and my family will be very thankful if this thing isn't damaged for this, because I get a lot of tension in my neck and the back of my lower head, my shoulders, and my shoulder blades on my upper back. All right, so where's that hole at? Let's see if it did anything from where it was. Would have been here. So, sorry, the box is falling out. Doesn't look like, well, maybe a little bit of that right there. The box looks like it's the power cord, and you could take this in the vehicle with you, which is really cool. All right, so this is the part where it got damaged. Let me try to look and see if there's any visible damage. Do y'all see any visible damage?
Nope.
No? All right, so here it is.
Test it, does it turn on?
Well, I'm gonna find out, but this feels pretty awesome already. So, does it have like a manual? Yes, it does. Okay, because I've watched videos several, and I mean, I still need this because I don't remember what's what of these buttons, but it's got this top one is the power button, then it's the direction button, the one with the arrows, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then the third one with the 3 bars right here is the speed button, speed button, medium, fast, and slow. Then there is right there the squiggly